Okay, a short trading recap on how yesterday, being Monday, went. I'm recording this video at should be around 1 a.m. Yeah. So this gold on the 5 minutes time frame, I didn't take any trade on gold today because there's no setup from me. So I didn't take any trade, but I took trade GU. This GU, and this is the reason why I took the trade. Because every trade you take, you should have a reason why you take it. So even if you lose or you win, you have a reason why you do what you do. Okay, let me break it down. This is GU on the 5 minutes time frame. Then I go back to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, this GU on the 15 minutes time frame. So why I took this trade is I first of all saw the setup not on GU, I saw the setup on DXY. That's why I saw the setup. But I did not trade this one, I didn't trade it. It's just I use the DXY to know how the GU is going to work. On the 15 minutes time frame, the DXY is downtrending. The dollar index is downtrending. So on the 15 minutes time frame. So I went down to the 5 minutes time frame. So going on the 5 minutes time frame, I saw a setup on the 5 minutes time frame. After seeing this setup, I waited for this guy to break this low. After it breaking this low, I entered immediately on this candle. Yes, that's where I entered and it went down. I almost entered at this point, but I needed a confirmation that the market break this structure. So when it broke this structure, it went straight down to GU and take the trade. See, exactly at that point, that's where I took the trade. You can check it for yourself. I took the trade here. See, it broke this guy. I took the trade. It's just almost the same thing, but DXY is more advanced. Like it's the dollar index. It moves the GU. Whenever if the DXY is down, going down, GU is going up. It's just the opposite. It's just like Euro USD and the DXY. They're just the opposite of the same thing. So on a proper breakdown on how you can filter noise with this moving average, people underestimate the moving average, but I just don't trade the moving average like that. I just don't trade moving average like that. See, okay, let's break it down. Look at the moving average. See how helpful it can be. Look at, watch this now. This guy is swept liquidity here. There's a liquidity sweep here. See it? Before I took this trade. When I took this trade, I wasn't even checking if there is liquidity sweep or something like that. But after that, I realized that this moving average helped me filter all those things. How this thing can be helpful to you. Then look at the zone. This is a supply zone here. This is a supply zone. Sorry, demand. There's a support here. So this guy swept this liquidity, tapped into it, started moving up according to smart money concepts. Yeah, if you are someone that trades smart money concepts, this can help you filter some noise. Sometimes some traders will be like, I don't know where to find this. How do I know when it has swept liquidity? Okay, look at another way. It has also broke structure according to the smart money concept. Broke structure here. See, then this you can say this is your liquidity, but I cannot just say this one has swept this guy, has swept this guy, then I'll enter from here. See, another thing that helps me not to make mistakes in the market, I always on my market section. I don't trade outside the section. I will not do it. I can never do it. See, this is outside the section. Then this in the morning. This too is in the morning, but it's outside my section. So I cannot find trade around here. Wherever, if it's like, let it fly to the moon. I ain't taking trade from there. So after tapping into my zone, I won't just take trade like that. I'll wait it to break it, change market structure to change. So after the market structure changing, that's why I enter this. But all this thing I'm explaining now, I didn't see these things while I was taking the trade. The moving average helped me filter everything. I take trade in my section, either London or New York section, then wait for the moving average to play along what I want. Then I dived in. This is it. You see it? I dived in. I just took 1:3 and move out. Sometimes I take 1:4. But mostly currency pairs, I like taking 1:3. And look at it. And this guy is still going up. Even if I reach 1:4, I'll still get it. Look at it. Look at it. As early as in the morning, 8:30, I got a trade, left the chart. I left the chart quickly. And this is what it is. So please go down to my videos, subscribe, and learn this. Learn this. The one thing about strategies is if you don't play it according to the way it's being taught, you keep making mistakes. It's not going to win you every trade. I promise you that it's not going to win you every trade. But once a while you definitely win more than you lose. Thank you. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I document my trading journey here. So you just help me in subscribing, click the like button, and share if possible. Thank you.